All right, it's October the 16th, 2023. It's right at 6 o'clock in the morning. My GoPro won't turn on. It's tore up. I can't figure it out. I've watched a bunch of videos trying to figure out how to turn it back on. It won't, and I can't figure it out. So this video will be all filmed with my phone, which most of them are anyway. So it is Monday. You'll never see me hardly ever leave on a Monday. And we're going to do it today, though. Those last 2 weeks have been horrible. I did film a little bit last week, but then I didn't even make a video off of it. It looks like this power on my phone's getting ready to go out, or on my flashlight's getting ready to go out. But we're going to head up to Wilmington and pick up a F-250, and we'll see you up that way, and I'll charge my flashlight while I'm on the way up. Alright, so we'll see you in Wilmington. Alright, I made it to Stevenson Honda. They changed their address. It's on Market Street. But they gave me the other address for somewhere else that I'd been to before, so I called. And they said they had changed. So if you go in that second entrance, you got plenty of room to get back here. And I got this F-250 picked up. So it's going to go to Dale Earnhardt Jr. Chevrolet in Tallahassee. In the description, I put Dale Earnhardt Jr. I wonder if I'll get more views. So now we're gonna. So this is an hour and a half north of where I live. So for me to go north and then go back south, they usually have to be paying really good. And this is, I think this truck's paying right at $1.80 a mile to go to Tallahassee from here. So now we're gonna go down to Moncks corner to the auto auction and pick up one more. I gotta exit out right there, that way. So we'll see you at the auto auction. Alright, it took about 4 hours to get here. This is about 12:30. The Charleston auto auction. I'm gonna pull a Chevrolet truck out. A 1500. I'll be right back after I get it loaded. Alright, it's a new 1500. It's a 2022 with a Duramax, so I'm guessing it's a small Duramax Chevrolet here at the Charleston Auto Auction. Now I'm going to hit the road and call about another car I found, see if they got it. Alright, it's 7 p.m. I just got down here, Lake City. Where's that Huddle House? I'm at the Days Inn. Drove 3 minutes over, so hopefully I ain't trouble tomorrow if I get inspected. Got caught in a wreck outside of off of 295 or whatever, out of Jacksonville. I booked another car over the weekend. It was being picked up in Statesboro, Georgia. And I was calling about it when I left the auto auction, and it was gonna be a big rush. That's why I was all over the place at the auction making a video. But nobody there at the dealer knew what was going on, and the guy that handles that was on a day off. So it did not hurt my feelings at all to go get it. So we're gonna check in here, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Alright, it's about 5:30 in the morning here at Days Inn. We're going to get ready to hit the road. We're off to Dale Earnhardt Jr. Chevrolet first in Tallahassee to drop this black Ford F-250 off. It's cold here too. Or to me it's cold. Must be the global warming. So we're going to start hitting the road, and I'll see you at Chevrolet. Alright, I made it to the Junior Chevrolet. You unloading this lot down here. I still got to deliver the truck. They're here. They just ain't moved no cars to pull in up here. I hope they move them before I leave where I don't have to back out. I'm going to take it in there. Let's see here. What do I do here? Throw my keys in the toolbox. All right, I'm gonna go deliver this truck. I have to figure out how to shut this door. And I'll see where I drop the other truck off. It's going to Enterprise, Alabama. All right, there goes the white Chevrolet. I'm at Enterprise Chevrolet here in Enterprise, Alabama now. Now I'm gonna go find a parking lot to sit for a minute since this is a dead hole. We'll try to find. I probably had a dead head somewhere. I'm gonna go somewhere and sit for a minute and figure my way out of here. So I'll see you wherever I stop at here in a few and let you know what's going on. Alright, I'm here at another Days Inn, Blakely, Georgia, which isn't too far from Dothan, Alabama. About an hour. No, it's probably about 30 minutes, 35 minutes from there. Probably an hour and 10 minutes from Enterprise. It's not far. I've stayed at this Days Inn a few times. There ain't nothing around it though. I couldn't find a load going anywhere, so I said I'm gonna go ahead and quit and then wait for something else to pop up. And then when I was sitting out here in the truck waiting on them to check in, this guy from Florida has a car lot called me and said he bought that Chevrolet truck that I hauled to Alabama, and he was wanting to know where it was at. And I said, oh, I hauled it to Enterprise, Alabama, to the Enterprise Chevrolet. And he said, no, I bought it. So the auction has messed that up really bad. But my BOLs and stuff, I dropped it off at the right place. It got double brokered, which is, I guess that got double sold. But we'll see in the morning after I find something. I'm gonna look all day today and see if I can find something. Rest of the day. All right, I'm back at Dale Earnhardt Chevrolet here, Dale Earnhardt Jr. in Tallahassee, picking up this Sierra that's going to be going to Spartanburg. Now I'm going to head up to Albany. This is a dead hole hauling cars. Always is. We'll see you in Albany. All right, I made it to Kia in Albany. I stopped yesterday early and found these two. This morning in Tallahassee, I wanted to get out of there because I was blocking the bus lane. Then this goes to Spartanburg. I'm going to try to deliver this today. I'm 5.5 hours away from it. I'm supposed to pick up 2 trucks in Florence by lunch tomorrow. Alright, I'm going to strap these down and I'll be right back. Alright, I got these 2 loaded up. Spartanburg Concord next. And it looked like it was going to be a real good week. And then yesterday when I couldn't find nothing, it looked like it was going to be a normal week. And then this morning, it looked like it was going to be a normal week. And the place in Florence that I haul trucks for, they posted 2 going to Pawleys Island that were paying, I think, right at $2.67 a mile for 2 of them to go there, which is short distance, but it's real good. And she said she'll give them to me tomorrow. All right, we're gonna start hitting the road and see how far I can get. I'm gonna try to get that GMC delivered today, 5.5 hours away. All right, I made it to Greenville here to the Super 8. I just want to stay here because I got the Kentucky Fried Chicken there. I'll go there to eat tonight. I'm only like 30 minutes from dropping this truck off, but I'm not going to drop it off tonight. I'll do it in the morning, probably about 6 or 6:30. They said that they have a drop box, so we'll do that in the morning. All right, we're going to call it a night. I'll see you in the morning. All right, this is about 6:15 in the morning. I just left the Super 8 probably about 45 minutes ago. There's the GMC dealership this truck gets dropped off at. I called last night and they said they had a box. So we're going to try to drop it and get out of here. Cause I want to take this Odyssey Concord, try to get up the road before that weight station there over to North Carolina gets going. All right, I want to unload this and I'll see y'all in Concord. All right, I got to American Luxury Coach about 55 minutes ago. Took them a while to get my stuff together. Somebody isn't here, I don't think. I forgot to record at Honda this morning. I got worked up down there at Spartanburg because after I cut my camera off, somebody was out there not trying to rob me, but harassing me. I ended up having to call the police on them. Alright, we're going to head to Pawleys Island now. It should take about an hour and 40 minutes to get there. We'll see you there at the Chrysler. I think it's South Strand Chrysler. See you there. Alright, I'm at the Chrysler, or South Strand, there in Pawleys. It took about an hour and a half to get here riding the back roads. And they were nice roads riding down here. You know, I ain't never been on them before. I'm going to load up. And I'm going to back out right here because I got to stop right to the right. If I go to the dealership, I'll have to go down south and then turn around about 4 miles. So I'm going to just try to back out. All right, I'm going to load my ramps and get out of here. All right, I just got back here to the lot. And it's Thursday. Probably, let me see what time it is. 4:14. This week wasn't too bad. It could have been a lot better. I say it could be a lot better, but it not really. There wasn't no cars. Anytime I go to Alabama, I can't find cars. But that truck that started my trip Monday with the F-250. It's worth taking. And every time I go that way, I can never find nothing to lease. So I usually give myself a day and plan 300 miles a deadhead to go somewhere else to pick up a load. That's the way I plan it. But I didn't have to. I just didn't get a full load out. And then the trucks that I hauled today wasn't that bad. They were pretty good pay for no further than I was going. And that guy at the Chrysler place said he's gonna have 2 more. So I'll be on the lookout for those. So I hope you enjoy this video, even though I ain't got no footage of the road or anything. I'm gonna try to figure out what's going on with my GoPro. I can't turn it on. No, I want to figure it out. But my next video, next week, will be me making the videos for over a year. So I might try to find, I might try to do something a little bit different next week. But until then, I'll see you next week.
Like and subscribe.
All right, it took about 45 minutes to get these loaded. Both of them were actually at Carvendi. It's Nissan's right beside there. I painted the deck and the rub rail on this trailer and some of the sides. And I welded a crack on it. Well, I didn't work last week. Rewired the brakes on it. All right, we're going to head to the Carolina Auto Auction now. I called yesterday and they said the van was there and it was ready to go. So we'll see when I get there. Alright, I just got the Charleston Auto Auction, which is America's Auto Auction now, I think. here at Moncks Corner. Supposed to be picking up a Ford Transit van. I'm hoping it's a small one, but it's probably not. But when I get it picked up, I'll come right back. All right, finally got the van loaded. It's a high top too. This goes to Impex Auto Sales. I dropped one off there a few months ago when I was doing them Greensboro runs. All these go to Greensboro. One goes to Volvo and one goes to Honda, which they're side each other, so I'll probably deliver tomorrow in Honda. And that goes to Impex, like I said. And I'm gonna probably just go on home because I ain't got nothing to pick up tomorrow. So a few months ago I was getting lucky with them and that dried out. So hopefully by the time I get up there tomorrow or this evening, it'll take me a couple hours to get home, and hopefully by then something popped up by then. I'm gonna get ready to pull out. I'm putting air in this middle tire here. It was pretty low. But after I get it air in, I'm gonna head home. All right, today's Thursday morning. I just got here to Impex Auto Sales. I'm gonna drop this van off real quick. I didn't take a video this morning because where I was at, it rained all the way up. It just has quit, so I got lucky there. So I'm gonna unload this van, then I'm gonna head over to Honda or Volvo first. They're right beside each other. Wherever I go, I'm gonna try to unload both of them there, and then just drive over. So I'll see you there.